Hey, this is Shawn Enterprises, Royalty affiliate, owner of Proximity Marketing Lifestyle. I just want to stop in with you this evening and go over some things that we have going on here that I find exciting, and I think that you will find value in it in regards to your business, as far as getting your message out to the masses at an affordable price, not breaking your pockets. As you can see here on my screen, you see this pen. Let me see if I go and I can highlight it for you right here. This right here is in the middle of Times Square. I'm currently running an ad advertising one of my businesses right here in the middle of Times Square. And I'm doing it right here from my home office here in Baltimore, Maryland. This is the new age of proximity marketing. This is what we're able to do for small businesses. And I think with that statement there, you pretty much see the value and the power of what we're able to do for you and your business. Um, like I said, advertising right in the middle of Times Square. I also have an ad running on the Vegas Strip out in West Coast in Las Vegas. And I can get your message seen anywhere near or far, depending on your business model. We have you covered. If you're a local business and you just want to advertise within your radius to your local customers, we could do that. If you have a message that's worldwide that you need to reach everybody, we got you covered on that also. Um, I mean, just think about it. The possibilities are endless. You could target local college campuses during major football games or basketball games, major concerts in your city or any city nearby or any city anywhere, as a matter of fact. Sports arenas, much more, without paying the major commercial rates for TV and radio or print ads. You know, we're giving you this service here at a fraction of the cost, a fraction of what it will cost you to do such things with a lot more response, with a greater response rate. Once again, you know, here at Royalty, we have kind of leveled the playing field for the little guy, the small business owners. And that pretty much is what our business model has been, as far as advertising, marketing, and helping small business owners to grow their business. We have been able to level the playing field and give them tools to advertise that a lot of the big corporations have had, and kind of left the little guy out because of the price range. We've pretty much been able to give you the same service and bring the price range down to a manageable number that could fit in your budget and give you the same big results. You know, so we're working against the Walmarts, putting the little mom and pop hardware shops out of business. You know, we're trying to counteract that with the services that we could bring so that you can compete. You could get your offers out there on the same level that these big stores can, and that's what Royalty does, man. That's the services that we do. That's the services that we provide, and that's what I'm here to do. And also with that, we also give additional teachings and trainings on social media on how to market your business, so that you can set up professional ads and have them run and be compatible with ads that come from major ad agencies. It's all about leveling the playing field and making sure that the mom and pop survive here in America. And if you can see the power in that and the power of the system that we bring to your business and the reach that we could bring, you know, just reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to help you. Reach out to me. I'm more than glad to fill you in on the details on everything that we can do for you and your business at a reasonable rate. Again, my name is Shawn Enterprises, owner of Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, Royalty affiliate. You can reach out to me, 410-929-3390. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. And also, I'm thinking about maybe giving a demo of our system. You know, maybe I'll think about running back and forth in my mind about giving out a free test to one small business owner that would like to get an experience of exactly what it is that we can do. Maybe for a week, maybe 2 weeks, I could set up a small ad for you so I can show you the results, the power of the system firsthand. Kind of let you get your feet wet a little bit so you can see exactly what it is and what we can do for your business. If you think that's cool, if you're like interested in do that, you know, just leave a comment down in the comment section of this video. I'll reach out to you, and I'm looking forward to hear it from you. Have a good evening. Thank you.